just the same thing and this one is just more work. Hey beauties, it's Viviana and today we're going to be trying out this really cool curling technique using FLEXI rods. And no, what new technique can be out there using FLEXI rods? From just watching the tutorial over and over again before finally deciding today to give it a try, the technique kind of looks like they're using FLEXI rods to make cornrows, and then when it's all done, they get really nice deep waves for their results. It just looks really complicated. So, I'm really curious to see how my hair is going to turn out using this same technique with just a little bit of modification for my hair length. So as you guys can see, I already did some flat twists to the side right here. I just thought it would look cute and, you know, add a little something extra than to just do my entire head of curls. I wasn't feeling for that today, okay? Yes. And right now my hair is wet, and the only thing I have in it right now at this time is my leave-in conditioner and a little bit of shea butter. If you haven't seen any of my wash day videos, I'll be sure to link that up in the iCards. Alright. I do have confidence in myself that I can do this style, but it does look like it's gonna take a bit of practice at first. So I'm scared. I'm really scared. So on the video they use some really big sections, but I really do think it's safer to use smaller sections for my hair. So I have my two FLEXI rods, and I know that I basically do this, but okay, let's see again how they start this thing. So the video I have keeps showing the technique from the middle of the FLEXI rod, and I mean, clearly with two separate individual FLEXI rods, it's gonna be tricky to start this technique. I don't know. Hair wise, I don't know. Definitely. Alright, so let's treat this like I'm just doing a regular cornrow. Okay. Wait. What am I doing? Wow, oh, okay. Alright. That seemed like it hold, right? Alright, so I have the FLEXI rods like this, and I took up a small piece at the top, wrap it around the FLEXI rod, secure it, then I took up a next small section underneath, join it with the first piece, just like you would do if you were cornrowing your hair, and I'm gonna wrap it around and under this FLEXI rod. I'm trying not to move it too much. Oh my lord, yep. This is gonna be complicated. Oh dear. Oh dear. Go around. So just take up a next section, around and under. Then when I have the hair underneath, I'm going to pick up a next section of hair from below, bring it around and under, the second flexi rod. Ooh, it gets easier when you get in the middle for real. So then I just take up a next section from underneath, wrap it around and under. Oh. So I don't think that was a bad first attempt, but I think we can do better, and I really want to see if I can get my hair as even throughout, just like she had hers. So this time around, I am going to secure the flexi rods with a elastic band before starting the flexi braids. Hey, I like that. Like that. Alright. Alright, this should work. And we're going to focus on getting an even braid all the way down. Alright, we can do this. We can do this. So pick up a little piece. Small section at the top. Wrap it around the first flexi rod. Go under. And then pick up a next section of hair from below. Add it to the first piece. Wrap it around the second flexi rod underneath. Then pick up another piece of section from below. Woo. And under. Let me just do the last little detangling so that my ends are nice and smooth. And go around. Wow. And then she used a bobby pin to secure the hair in between. But as you can see, my hair isn't that long. So I'm just going to use an elastic band to hold the flexi rod together. Just as how I did with the... what I call it? This is gonna be interesting.
What are we doing? Losing on this journey? What are we saying? Making excuses, no. Tell all the people we know we're getting ready to go. It's time. Life is passing by. Any, mini, money, mo. Pick a place and there we'll go. Work this jungle like a pro and learn to last. Any, mini, money, mo. Pick a dream and wake your soul. Let the music take control and learn to dance. Get on up, let's go. We've got some money and gas in the car, so let's hit the road. Can't you see we're moving slow? It's dangerous, we'll see. We'll both be gone eventually. We save and save. There's never enough for a rainy day, so let's go. Let's take a trip to a foreign place that we don't even know. Don't you feel we're moving slow? It's sudden, we'll see. The world's not waiting on you or me. You're the one I love, so come and have a little fun. What am I doing? Traveling, there's not much money. What am I saying? Making excuses, no. Ocean to ocean, I see people and places and things so clear. Oh, life has brought me here. Any, mini, money, mo. Pick a place and there we'll go. Work this jungle like a pro and learn to laugh. Any, mini, money, mo. Try some
a struggle I made this look, but it really wasn't that hard to apply. So we're gonna allow this to completely dry and let's see what kind of results we get.
So I get asked a lot if when I do these hairstyles, do I leave the house? How do I go to bed? And it's the same answer. If I have to leave my house, I throw a scarf on my head, no shame, and that's also how I sleep at night. If you've been enjoying this video and you haven't skipped a thing, answer this question to be featured in my next intro.
Alright, let's first pull out this front one right here. It definitely dried a little frizzier than I would like, but it don't look too bad. Okay, so it's separating as I'm pulling it from the FLEXI-rods. They aren't waves, but it's cute! I don't even think my hair needs any fluffing, but I'm just gonna be a little extra and fluff a little bit more. Wow. Hell yeah! If you are looking for a hairstyle to give you some volume, this is it. Hear my advice. If you don't want to take the time to learn how to actually braid these FLEXI-rods into your hair, I say just go along with the first figure 8 FLEXI-rod curls that I did. Yeah, that video. That technique and this technique pretty much give the same results, so whichever you feel like doing, but that one take less time to do.
Ooh, you know what? It's like comparing a plait braid out with like a cornrow braid out. You know what I mean? It's like the same thing, but not really. Or like comparing a hanging twist out with like a flat twist out. It just depends on how much time you have and your skill level.
Look at this volume. Look at this volume. Look at this volume. Anyway, beauties, I hope you enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I understand. You might be feeling a little confused right now because this is not typically the type of content you thought you'd like. However, don't fight the feeling. Anyways, I'll have more of my videos up in the iCards so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then, come on, if you can actually sit down through 2 or 3 more of my videos, you should probably take that as an indicator that you just like my content, so just subscribe now. Okay, beauties, thanks again for watching.